Hi, welcome to amplixby.com demo today. Today I will show you how to connect database and making reports in one step. Firstly, I am really proud to show you our solution. We are different with others for robustness of reporting and the framework for your data operations to insert and update in pure web standard. For your data simulation, and building BI application with easy, timely and in budget, our solution is key resolver for your projects. Let me show you with demo today. You can change themes and select languages. Select styles best fits to you. Log in to system with secured passwords. The left sliding menu is controlled by users' roles. Main menu have report, analysis, management, big data, and machine learning, and you can see sub-items. Below is menus for users' setup and logouts. You can collapse side menu for the wider workspaces. In the middle section, browser navigator for your contents. And the main area is tab panels so that you can work multiple items at the same time. You can see last login information for security, and you can open reports and favorites items directly by clicking in this lists. This is Wizard, which guides you to work through the steps. For example, if you want to make relational database analysis, these are typical steps for your project. Let me start with database connection first. These are lists of database connections registered. You can add new database connection by click here. We support various types of data connections, not only relational databases. Cloud connector to connect your Salesforce data connector or SOAP, REST APIs. This is connectors for your ERP such as SAP, or Oracle e-business. This is big data connectors for your Hadoop or NoSQL Mongo non-structured databases. Embedded database provides temporary but fast data transactional storage. Let's start with connecting MySQL sample data. Click Apply Template button, then you can get typical connection settings in here. To fill the values, click on Set button, and now you can fill in the form easily. Then put the credentials used to connect on databases. Click on Test button to validate. And there are several other options to advanced control the settings for your connections. Now we have sample database connections in the lists. Next step, create folders for sample works. From browser, we can create business object, which will be used for registering tables and views for analysis. Just select database connection which I created before. You can get tables or create dynamic view with macro, so that complex business problems can be resolved. Let me quickly import some tables to analysis. Here are lists of tables available on the schema. I have department, employee, expenses and so on. Just click as much tables you would like to analysis. Now you can see the registered tables and its columns in here. You can change name for your end users, and can see physical names as well in here. These are custom fields that you can create and provide for your end users' advanced reporting. To batch register measures, you can select dimensions for your calculations. Select product ID and now I can get product counts. In the expenses, I can add account _id and amount to register measures. You can edit measures later with SQL syntax from here. Now let's make join cardinality for the tables. On the table lists, select tables you would like to make joins. Just like entity relationship diagram, you can see all the tables. Click on the name and it automatically focuses on the table as well. Click on Auto Join to get the joins automatically suggested for you. To configure your join condition, just click on Joins to modify. And here is all the joins for the cube model. SQL query is automatically generated on your dynamic reports. Go back to Business Object and you can create dynamic view with macro. For advanced SQL developer, you can use this for your reporting requirement. You can use macro with conditional statements so that dynamically control your queries. To modify SQL, just click on Edit SQL button. Now we are ready to make report. Toggle to edit mode, and you can dynamically adjust your layout with docking panels. Open the Pivot Configuration Wizard in here. And select fields to make pivot by just drag and dropping fields. Now you can see the results in grid. To make quick drill down, you can add another sheets on the report. You can move the sheet on top or bottom, left, right with easy drag and drop. On second reports, change pivot definitions with Pivot Wizard. Down from first report, you can specify which sheet to be applied in Widget Configuration Wizard. Just click on the cell, you can see the detailed data on another sheet. You can verify the SQL query that applied on second sheet as well. Now save this reports on your folders. You can refresh browser, then you can see the reports and open it again. Switch grid to chart from toolbar button, and on chart view also you can drill down your data samely on grid. Thank you for watching today, and we hope to talk with you and support for your project success. If If you have any questions, please feel free to contact us and visit https://www.amplixby.com/. Have a nice day and enjoy.